I am a grown man. What, I'm not allowed to go out? I'm not allowed to have friends? Why are you so controlling? You said you were on your way home and then you just didn't show up. For all I know, you were dead. Dead? Why would I be dead? Well, you regularly drink and drive. Oh, stop it. I'm an excellent driver. Literally no one's a good driver when they're drunk, but that's not the point. All I'm asking for is for you to text me when you're going to be home ridiculously late. What are you, my probation officer? Who cares what time I come home? You're sleeping anyway. It's not normal to wake up in the middle of the night and not know where your husband is. You know where I was. I told you, I was at the bar. The bar closes at 2. So? It's 5:45 in the morning. Okay, I fell asleep. Fell asleep? What? Where? Would you stop being so insecure? You know what? I'm sick of this. I'm not having this conversation anymore.